Okay then, so welcome to a tutorial, kind of a beginning tutorial of a tutorial set, but not a set of tutorial sets. Yeah, so pretty much what I'm going to start doing is random tutorials on everything pretty much. So by everything I mean every engine and every language that I know within web development and game development. Now, pretty much what we're going to be doing today, pretty much, oh my god, that's my word for today. I'm sorry, I'm probably going to end up saying it about 50 times, and I'll not even realise. So, yeah, I was about to say it then, but no, I don't want to say it. So, create a folder then, and I'm going to go ahead and call mine random tutorials. You know, tutorial, it works. Why not? So we got our little explorer here. We're gonna go ahead and go into Dreamweaver. If you've not got Dreamweaver, you can do the exact same on Notepad++. If you don't have that, that's a free download. Go ahead and get that. Otherwise, web development, well, let's just say it's a lot easier when you've got Dreamweaver, but it's also very good with Notepad++ as well. So, I'm going to go ahead and create a new HTML. And this is why I like Dreamweaver. It gives you the template for a beginning HTML file without you having to do it all yourself, pretty much. It's very good, very powerful. You can also change the title up here, but I don't like doing that. Just change it here, may as well. So I'm going to go ahead and call this tutorial, because why not? And save it in random tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and call it index.html or HTML. Do you know what? I don't even know what I'm doing with my life anymore. Here we go. There we are. Let's go ahead and shut that and open that. There we go. That's better. Alright. So here we go then. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be making a CSS tutorial. And I know, sorry, I'm just moving about. My chair seems to not want to go in the position that I want to go in. So I'm going to be uncomfortable for like an hour. Anyways. It's jumping straight into the HTML, well, web development, but it's also, I'm guessing that you already know a little bit on it. If you don't, I can leave a link in the description to the guy that I learnt it from, pretty much. The guy I learnt web development from. Oh god. No, headsets fell off. I am like the best YouTuber to date. No. So, yeah. The CSS that we're going to be doing today is pretty much changing a paragraph text's colour when you hover over it. So, I'm going to go ahead and go, hello there, Mr. YOLO. How are you? !P. And I'm going to create a new P for that, and go ahead and /P on that. There we are. So we now got, hello there, Mr. Yellow. How are you? Let's put a comma. There we go. This is also why I like Dreamweaver as well. You got a design in there. Some people see that as a cheat. Personally, I do. I always use a code, but I just use design mostly for the live view, and also just the view of things like this. But when you get into deep CSS, that is when you'll need to go live, pretty much. You can also have live code, but it's a bit I don't even know what that does, but you know, hey well. So here we go then. We need to create a new CSS. So to do that, I'll just do it like this. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the CSS file. You can go new text document, and then if you've got these on, I'll show you how to get the extensions on. But you go main.css, click yes to that. To get the extensions, you press Alt, go to View, no, Tools, Folder Options, View, and then it's one of these. This will be ticked for you. Untick it and click Apply, and then it should show up. It's pretty simple. Okay, I'm not going to do it that way because I'm going to go ahead and show you what your code is going to be. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new style sheet. I'm going to call it main.css, or just main. I'll call the file main.css. Main.css. There we are. And I'm not going to do anything for that. So as you can see, this is the code here. Link href css / main.css. Relative is style sheet, or relative, I think that might be, I'm not sure. Rel, anyways. Type text / CSS. Now in the CSS file, you can get rid of that if you're using Dreamweaver. We don't need that. We're going to target P, and when we open it, we're going to go ahead and get the font dash size. I'm going to go ahead and set that to 16 just for you guys so that you can see it, and that's it. So we need to, I know, colour as well. I know colour can stay black as default, and then we'll change it from black to another colour. So yeah, pretty much to like target something when you hover over it is very simple. You press P and then a colon and then just type hover, and then open it up and close it, and then put in colour. You can go on Google to check your hex codes, or use a imaging software, whichever. Or if you're on Dreamweaver, just use a colour picker. So there you go. You can do that, and you can also put font weight, and then just put it to bold, so that it goes bold as well. Pretty simple. So now, when we open it, and we hover over it, as you can see, it goes bold and it goes blue. So you can also see that it's not just doing it all at once, it is actually doing it as two different paragraphs. That's because we've done that. If you didn't want that, then you'd obviously just delete these and put a BR instead. Shows up the same. Well, obviously there's a less of a gap, but it all pretty much changes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's been the first random HTML CSS tutorial. I don't know what I'll do next. Not planned. Absolutely random. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna try and get videos out a lot like quicker, frequent. I think frequent might be the right word. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and please go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you. This is the longest outro ever. I'm just gonna go ahead and end it in the middle.